Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. We're Derek and Catherine and this is the guidebook. And tonight we're going to try to camp at one of my favorite camping spots near Colorado Springs. It has such beautiful views of Pikes Peak, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that there are some spots left. Last time I got here really early in the day, so I was able to secure like a perfect spot with amazing views. But today it's a Friday and it's already 6:15, so hopefully all the spots aren't taken.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
We just drove down to the spot we were looking to camp at, and all the spots were taken down that little road. There's a few more little pull-offs off of this road, so hopefully we can find a campsite off of one of these other ones. If not, there was a little bit of a space between two people, and we could go back and ask them if it's okay if we camp in between them. Hopefully it's kind of flat. Didn't get the Pikes Peak views I was hoping for. We also got a beautiful campsite here. We also aren't perfectly level, but we're about as good as we could get. First time we got to use the traction boards, and it's not even to get unstuck. Tree fell on the trail here. We just walked over to a little tent camping site nearby to try to show you these views of Pikes Peak. Look at this. That's where we are right over there. And look at Pikes Peak. That is so beautiful. At that campsite we were trying to get to, you're at the end of a little road, so there's nothing blocking you, and you have perfect views of Pikes Peak, and it's so beautiful. This campsite is amazing though, too. Look at that.
The boys seem to have gotten the zoomies. They just took off on a little spontaneous run. So here they come. Never a dull moment with these two. Oh.
What an absolutely beautiful night. Look at this. Tonight we're attempting to make shrimp tacos.
We'll see how it goes. It's probably a better tool for this job, but less dishes.
Trying to heat the tortillas up now on the stove. Hopefully this goes well. Shrimp's looking good though. What a beautiful sunset tonight. Is this the most like high class thing we've ever made camping?
Probably the most high class thing we've ever made. Lettuce. Can't forget the guac.
That's a nice dollop of guac.
Yeah, I know. I think getting a little heavy-handed with the guac. But
It might as well.
nothing wrong with that.
First taste, how are they?
Let's find out. Oh no.
How are they?
They taste good. They're just not warm at all.
I thought the wind was kind of probably just blocking a lot of the heat.
No,
and
like I was trying to heat the tortillas up, and I was just like torching them, and then flipping them, and then by the time I flipped them and like touched them again, it was like cold.
we do have a pretty amazing view for dinner though. The tortillas were breaking, so we just added the ingredients to the pot, and we've just been eating it like this. Still not warm, but it's very good. We're all cuddled up in the truck for the night. Tucker decided he wanted to be on top of Catherine. Probably just gonna hang out for a little bit and then go to sleep.
See you in the morning.
Good morning. It's looking like it's gonna be a beautiful day. I just took a little walk down there to the end so you could see those views of Pikes Peak real quick. Tried to be really quiet so I didn't wake anybody up down there. But it's such a beautiful morning and that view is just amazing. I've just been hanging out for a little while Catherine's been sleeping. She just woke up and we're getting loaded up. Kind of got everything packed up. think we're gonna head over to the trailhead and maybe do breakfast there, or maybe grab breakfast from somewhere in Woodland Park or something like that. It's just kind of cold, so we just want to get moving for the morning. Stopped at this little coffee shop here in Woodland Park. The Human Bean. It's a cool little spot. Now we gotta get some gas. This morning we're gonna be hiking the Red Rocks Trail near Woodland Park. It's a 3.2 mile lollipop trail with about 400 feet of elevation. So it's got the little lollipop section, and it looks like we're gonna get up to the Red Rock here in a second. This is cool. There's just little croppings of red rock all throughout here. Going up to check out one of these little red rock areas. This is such a cool little trail. These formations are just so darn cool. I'm blown away that this trail isn't crowded. It's like a Saturday morning at like 9:30, and we've seen a few other people, but I expected this trail to be crowded with people with how cool it is. There are a ton of junctions and side trails here though, so if you're gonna come and do this hike, I'd highly recommend downloading the map ahead of time because it's really easy to get off course. This has been such a nice little hike. Almost back to the truck. I don't think Tucky is liking how warm it's gotten. We're gonna head back into Manitou Springs now and maybe try to get a bite to eat.
These look so good.
Oh no, I 100% did. I was so...
We had a great time camping and hiking near Woodland Park and exploring Manitou Springs afterwards, and the weather started to shift and it looks like it's gonna rain now, so we're heading home. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.
Glad we beat the rain.
Yeah.